Blessings, beloveds, coming to you from beautiful Bali on this, as we've just passed through the beautiful full moon in Taurus with Uranus conjunct and the Sun in Scorpio, all at 8 degrees, all bringing in this incredible power and bringing the dark to the light, so much healing, the ancestral healing on that All Hallows Eve. And we are now in November, and we are now with this beautiful blue crystal full moon, this blue crystal vortex of this higher dimensional light coming in, preparing the field now as we head towards November 11th and our 11/11 portal. And I just wanted to come on and share about this epic journey we're on, and as we're heading towards the 11/11 Stargate portal, which is the activation of the new crystalline new earth. And we're going to be gathering in Bali, live stream on Zoom on November 11th, the 11/11 Age of Light activation of the crystalline new earth. And this is not just talk anymore. What I've been shown and why I've been in Bali for almost a year and 3/4, going on 2 years next year, is preparing for this exact event. And we've all been preparing for millions of years. These blueprint and this codes of creation have been talked about. We have, images about, channelings about, but not the physical, literal opening. And this is happening on 11/11. It wasn't quite sure if it would happen. The energies, the higher realms, the councils of light, all coming together as we all, the brother and sisterhood of light of earth and our beautiful community, all needing to come together. There are more healings, more openings, more ascension. And in the last few weeks, it has been that we can open these codes, and it is a go-ahead. And so we are gathering at this incredible location in Uluwatu, Bali, the Mermaid Crystal Temple. It is a vortex of this Lemurian ancient incredible energy of protection, of love, of the higher codes. And we're going to be gathering in this beautiful temple. And so join us. And we have 8 presenters. We have pre-recordings. Our beautiful offering is online and in person. If you're in Bali, join us. And we have myself, Ana Lucas, and Nuristry. We have sound healings. We have prayer formants. We have beautiful sisters, Chata Isis, with an Isis light language healing transmission. We have prayer formants of dance and sacred sound and vocal sound healing. And we have a beautiful offering on 11/11 of a crystalline heart meditation that is a guided, very advanced crystalline global meditation from the ages of Atlantis and Lemuria that we will be bringing in with sacred geometry with Ana Lucas, and she has never offered this before. And it's going to be all of us gridding this incredible energy and gridding and seeding so we can open the codes on 11/11 in the activation. And so I invite you to join us. This is the event of the age, if there is one, and to not miss out, get your ticket, join us. It's on Eventbrite. You can log in and join us, and you can find it on Priestess Circle. And I can only say that this is why we're gathering, is to then activate, and then as we bring in these codes and we come together on 11/11, the double 11, the double gateway, the streaming in of the higher consciousness, as we'll travel through this gateway together. Only together can we bring in the higher codes. This is not a Piscean one man, one woman journey anymore. As we come together and they see that we're together, they see that we're a yes to bringing in these new codes, this new future, this new life, this new crystalline new earth, the golden age, the divine age is here. And so I invite you to join us and connect and immerse in this community of light. We are the priests and priestesses of light coming together. And so that's the 11/11 Age of Light activation of the new crystalline earth. It is live on Zoom. It's a live stream on Zoom as well as in person in Bali. We'll be at the beach and in the beautiful mermaid vortex with all of the energies of light and the highest beings of light, Isis, Osiris, the angelic realms, the councils of light are all joining us and joining you and gathering with you. And the moment you register is the moment you start your activation, and you're a yes to being a part of the new earth and as the way showers and leaders. And so I send you so much love and blessings from Bali, and I'll see you on 11/11, and share with me what you're going through, where you're at, how you feel about the new earth as we collaborate together, and sending you lots of love. Many blessings.